So anyway, I gotta go plow snow, but first I thought I would make a little intro here because I don't have a plow. They're super expensive. So I made my own sort of Jimmy rig plow. I'll show you guys what I did and how I'm clearing the snow off my driveway. I gotta go start the quad, start a fire in the shop because the band's coming over tonight too. Get dressed and we'll meet you outside to show you my homemade plow. Why are you so tired, Winston? Okay, as promised, I'm dressed up, my quad is warm, and now I'm going to reveal to you my poor man's plow. You can't see it because it's under the snow. Get this all dug up and hooked up. All right, here it is. Oh, it's getting sunny out here. I don't know if you can see it. When I bought my house, there's a bunch of railway ties, and all I did was rig that up. She plows snow. I'll show you how. So, it's clearly not as good of a job as a plow, but if there's more snow, if you got like a big dump and it was nice and light and fluffy, it would work well. But it came overnight and I wanted it to be daylight so I can make this video for you guys, so kind of got a little crusty and harder to move, so more packed down than anything, but it works, trust me. But get a plow if you don't have one. So, anyway, yard's somewhat plowed. Better than spending $1,000. Well, it's not better than a plow, but it's cheaper than a plow and it kind of works. It does the job for now, you know? Another little tip, after you've plowed the yard, make sure, now that it's nice and warmed up, go for a rip. And wear a helmet.